Welcome to the Mobile Hub tutorial. During this tutorial we're going to look at the two APIs that the Mobile Hub can offer you. Both of these APIs you need to request with your account manager to have them activated on your account. The first is the pull, and here you will see the Statistics API link. Click on the link and you're presented with the pull information. So here you have your token, your URL, the response structure to expect, and the definition of the variables that appear in the response. You can also generate a new API token on this page. If you do not see the Statistics API link in the footer when you're logged in, please contact your affiliate manager and they'll be happy to add it to your account. So let's now look at the push API. So to access the area for push, we click Settings, Account Settings, and here you can see we have a push notification URL set up. So here we have the input box where you're going to enter your push URL, and below we have an example and also the many different fields and variables that can be entered into your URL to get passed back. So what we're going to do is firstly enter in our URL. As you can see here, I'm using an example URL, but most of it should feel quite common to you. So we have our click ID is tracking code 2. We're going to use tracking code 2 here, not tracking code, because tracking code 2 is better suited for automated variable passing. So for example, if every visit is automated a random generated number, we're going to use tracking code 2, because tracking code is for more basic tracking within the website filters and reports. And of course, an automated number that's being spat out every time a visit takes place is going to destroy the reporting and make it almost impossible to use if every click is a unique tracker. So to be clear, so for this we use tracking code 2, and also we want our payout information. So essentially we're going to be notified every time there's a sale. We're going to be tying it using tracking code 2 to the click ID, and there's going to be a payout amount passed at the same time. We could obviously choose to add in a variety of other variables, including carriers, countries, devices, operating systems, transaction IDs, visit dates, and obviously the rest you can see here. But essentially we're looking for the most simplistic and basic, which is a tracking code connection and a payout amount. So once our push notification URL has been entered, what we can do here is you'll see we don't have a currency. The Mobile Hub by default receives payouts from a massive amount of partners in a variety of different currencies. If you do not detail specifically that you would like to receive a currency code, then you will have the payout amount will be in the currency that we receive it. So the best way to go around this is simply to select Use Account Currency in Payments. That means that every payout amount that you receive and are notified of will be in euros, pound, or US dollar, depending what you select. So if I select US dollar, that means that Use Account Currency in Payments, that every payout amount I receive across the notification will be in US dollars. What we can now do is we go down and we click Save. Once saved, you can now see the currency is US dollars. We're going to use our account currency in our payments. That means that all of our payout amounts are in dollars. We have our tracking code set up and we're ready to go. So every time a sale appears, you will be receiving a notification that will be tracked through using the click ID and the payment amount. If you have any further questions or require any more detailed assistance in setting this up, or even a test being sent to make sure you've set it up correctly, please contact your account manager, as they're more than happy to help. I hope this video has been informative. Please let us know if you have any questions,